Hi there, Ruby here. Today I'll show you how to set up the bundle product page in BOGOS free Gift Bundle Upsell app. This creates a product for your bundle where customers can view details, build their own bundle, get a discount, and add everything to cart in one place. At checkout, the bundle is split into individual items, so customers can clearly see what products are included in the bundle, while each product's inventory is deducted correctly. One thing to notice is that customers must bundle the exact quantity required for each pack. So if you offer a 2 and a 4 item pack, bundling 3 items won't be added to the cart. You can also try it yourself with a 7-day free trial. Link in the description. Alright, let's go. From the BOGOS sidebar, go to All Offers, click Create Offer, choose Bundle, then Bundle Product Page. First, fill in the bundle name for internal use, the product title that customers see on your storefront, and schedule the offer ahead if needed. Next up are the bundle sizes, where you decide how many items customers need to bundle to unlock a discount. I'll set the quantity to 2, which means customers have to choose exactly 2 items, then pick a discount type among percentage, amount, fixed price. For a fixed amount or price, you can click Add Currency to set custom amounts per currency if you sell in multiple Shopify markets. Now, you can customize the size label and discount label. You can also add an image or badge to make each option look more visually appealing. To visualize, here is how these elements appear on the storefront. To create tiered discounts, just click Add Pack Size again and set it up the same way. And if you want the discount to keep going past your last tier, click Add Unlimited Pack. So for example, my last bundle pack is 4 items. Whenever customers bundle more than 4, they'll get my biggest discount here. Finally, click this Customize button to open an editor for a quick preview and layout adjustments. I'll cover customization in detail later. Now, let's move on to the section part, which defines the products customers can choose from to build their bundle. You can list all products in one place, or break it into multiple steps to guide customers through, like building a skincare routine. First, give it a title so customers know what they're bundling. Then, select your products and choose the display type between these 2 options. By product displays each product as a single item. If it has variants, customers pick them from a drop-down, and the variant image will update accordingly. By variant shows each variant as a separate product, where you want customers to mix and match the variants themselves. You can also set a minimum or maximum quantity under advanced settings, giving you more control over how customers build the bundle. To add more steps, just click Add Step and repeat the process. Start customizing. To start customizing, you should set up the preview for the desired device and layout options. These help you adjust the display more accurately to your actual store design. By default, your bundle product page will show the bundle content next to the product image. Switch to this vertical layout if you plan to add this bundle product page as a standalone block or section into another store page. If you need a detailed guide on adjusting BOGOS blocks, I've linked a tutorial below. For Customize, we have 3 parts: Global Customize and By Offer Customize, and the Widget on Child product page. Let me walk you through each. Global Customize. Firstly, Global Customize is where you adjust the overall look that applies to all bundle product pages across your store. Things like the total price text, the Add to Cart button text, the Go to Product page text, and the colors used throughout the page. To open it, first in your offer setup, open Customize the page and click Global Customize. The next one is By Offer Customize. Unlike Global, this only adjusts the design for this specific bundle page, so any changes here won't affect your other bundle pages. To open it, click any Customize button alongside the setup. Here you have 3 fields to style: the Pack Select field, the Product Select field, and each step. Just click whichever section you want to customize and mix things up on the right. One setting you should notice is the number of packs per row. Full width is for when you switch to the vertical layout as a standalone section or block. Compact is for the default layout, where the bundle content sits beside the product image. Customize Widget on Child product page. Last one is the Widget on Child product page, which appears on the product pages of items included in your bundle. It showcases all the products and quickly redirects customers to the bundle page. To use it, open the Widget on Child Product Page drop-down on the right panel and enable Add Widget on Child Products Page. Then, click Customize to open the editor and adjust the design just like we did earlier. Edit product details after publishing. Head back to the offer setup. BOGOS will auto-generate a product for this bundle, and you might want to update the details that show on your store, like the title, description, or image. All right, let's click Save and preview our bundle product page. And there we go. The bundle product page looks great. You now know how to create a bundle product page using BOGOS. Now it's your turn. Grab the 7-day free trial in my description and create it yourself. I'm Ruby, and I'll see you in the next video.